Hi, okay, my name is Billy from Swansway, Chester Citroën. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 2019 Citroën C3 Aircross. This model is a 1.2 petrol manual with 17,300 miles registered. Coming around the side, we've got these 17-inch alloy wheels there, the retractable door mirrors that go in when you lock, roof bars along the top. We've got tinted black windows in the back for added privacy. If I just open up, we can have a look inside there. We've got a little compartment for storage just there. 3-point seat belts on all of them as well. Coming around to the back, we have the rear parking sensors along the bottom. Going into the boot, I'll open that up and give you a quick tour. As you can see, very big. All them 3 seats also go down as well. Moving around to the front of the car with the chrome door handles. Jumping inside the car, we've got the electric window system there and the wing mirror adjusters as well. If I just step on in and turn the engine on. This engine is a start-stop feature, so all you do is put the clutch in and press that button and everything comes on very nicely. Looking at the dashboard, we've got the digital display of your miles per hour there and your miles and such. And around we've got your phone controls and voice activation with your audio controls there as well. Here's the 7-inch touchscreen here, which you can change your radio, navigation. You need your phone connected for that. You've got your temperature controls, phone, apps, for example Spotify, and your driving settings. If I just go on that, you've got your vehicle settings and driving functions there as well. Coming down just below the start-stop button, you've got your power supply there and a USB. We've got a nice automatic style handbrake and cruise control there as well. If I just step outside the vehicle, this has been the 2019 Citroën C3 Aircross here at Chester Citroën. We thank you very much for watching and we hope to see you here very soon. Thank you.